Oh shoot. It's Andrew, back with another flavorful episode of ArDrive News. Well, it's the first of the month, and you know what that means. It's time for another ArDrive Public Bounty. The ArDrive Public Bounty is a two-week contest where we see who can create the most complete drive about a given topic in exchange for ArWeave tokens. So far, more than 2,000 public drives have already been created on ArDrive, with topics ranging from books to movies to history. That's amazing. We created the Public Drive Bounty to build up the permanent library of human knowledge and to accelerate the growth of useful, royalty-free content on ArWeave's permaweb. Anyone can participate, and the first place winner gets 2 ArWeave tokens, and the runner-up gets 1 ArWeave token that they can use to save their own history after helping us recreate the Library of Alexandria. Andrew, the Great Library of Alexandria, what's that? I'm glad you asked, superimposed green screen version of myself. The Great Library of Alexandria was in Alexandria, Egypt, and was one of the largest and most significant libraries in the ancient world. However, this library won't be burned down by Julius Caesar despite its hotness, and that's where you come in to help us create this library. You can get all the info about this month's Public Drive Bounty on our website at ardrive.io/pdb. Create your own public drive on the monthly theme and submit your entry on Twitter or on the Discord, and stop by our community call to see if you've won. If you're posting on Twitter, make sure to tag @ArDriveApp and include the hashtag ArDriveBounty. Know before you stow. You emulated ancient Egyptian library of knowledge on the block weave forever.